shit. Whenever you hear some shit and you can't refuse it, it's just some shit for these kids to trash their rooms with. Just refuse whenever they ask to do shit. The type of shit that you don't have to ask who produced it. You just know that's the new shit. The type of shit that causes mass confusion, the drastic movement of people acting stupid.
I come to every club with intention to do harm, with a prosthetic arm and smelling like Boone's Farm. Hiding in the tables as soon as I hear alarms. Paranoid deep that it's still from his own mom. Conniving con, artist with a bomb, strapped to my stomach screaming. A lust that love to drink, drunk driving a tank, rolling over a bank. Cops see me and fake, it's drastic. I'm past my limit of coke. I think I up my hop, I slit in your throat. Put your baby carriage into the street till it's mincemeat. Your mince been beat the minute I step on your street. This is fight music.
You know why my hands are so numb? No. My grandmother sucked my dick and I didn't come. Smacked this whore for talking crap. So what if she's handicapped? The bitch said Bizarre couldn't rap. I fucking hate you. Take your drawers down and rape me. While Dr. Dre videotaped you. Satan got me on this song. Eating a hot dog, reading the Holy Quran while I'm on the John. Tired of wearing this yellow thong. Take it back, Cisco. You know where it belongs. Here's a gun. I put it in your palm. I go over there and blow off Julio's arms. Fuck the love song.
This kind of music, use it and you get hand to do shit. Whenever you hear some shit and you can't refuse it, it's just